This is the iPhone, and this is Macintosh Tips.
What's up guys, this is EB Macintosh Tips, and this is another application review for the iPhone called Vihgo. This is a very nice photo editing application, and right now it's on the App Store for only $1.99, as you see here. If you guys saw my Color Splash tutorial, or you missed it, just go and click the annotation right there. But this application is similar to Color Splash, and I'm actually going to review this application and then do a comparison video from this application to Color Splash, and see the pros and cons about it, and see which one is better, because right now they're the same price. So it didn't get as good of a ratings as Color Splash, but you get a lot more effects here. Here's gonna be your filters here. As you can see, you get cutaway, motion blur, old picture, pencil. I'm not gonna read all of them. You guys can scroll through there and see that. And of course, here's the bottom. Just shows you a quick example of what you can do very, very fast and easy with this application. Something like that, something like that. And so mix it up, and just personal preference. So this is Vihgo. We found it in the App Store for $1.99. I went ahead and purchased it so I can do this app review, so I hope you guys have enjoyed. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so once you purchase Vihgo, you're going to find a nice thumbnail icon looking just like this. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up and get to this tutorial. Alright, so Vihgo launches, and as you see here guys, this is the very first original picture for Macintosh Tips. It's all over the web, so yeah, you guys know this picture. We took it in the Apple Store the day we actually created Macintosh Tips, so this is kind of ironic for this tutorial. And this of course would be a great tutorial to add filters and stuff too. Let's go ahead and go over the interface of the application. As you see here, you're going to find your photo here in the middle. Up here will be your image button. We can go ahead and click that. You're going to have album, camera, or sessions. Okay, and of course cancel. Your album, you can go into your camera roll, choose albums. Camera, you can go ahead and click a picture straight from your camera. And sessions, you load sessions of previous pieces of work that you're working on. So we can go ahead and cancel out of this since I already have a album open. And of course here's your filter menu. As I said before, you're going to find a lot of different, a variety of editing in this here. You can either go down here and play the slideshow of all the filters, or you can hit the play button here, which is going to, of course, play all the slideshows. This would be your save button, since we haven't done any changes. I'm going to go ahead and keep this unsaved. Here, you're just going to invert your colors. We'll do that in just a minute. Here's going to open up more projects, play button. Here's where you're going to edit, and of course, if help here. Okay, let me go ahead and go into the edit window. And as you see here, I've already added kind of a color splash effect to this picture. The way you do this, guys, is basically just like Color Splash. Is you take your solid brush here, you can go up your brushes here and change your brush size, your softness, your opacity, and of course your scale. So that's very nice that you can have kind of a customization on your brushes. So go ahead and go out of that window. So once you've made a brush, you just go in here and just start painting in that you want in front and behind, and of course what you want in the filter. So let's go in the basic interface here. You have your brush, you have a left and right arrow key, which means backwards and forwards. So if I'm going along and I mess up and do something like that, then I can always go back. And of course if I liked it, I can go forwards. So let me go ahead and back, because I didn't really like that. Here you have your invert colors. So I can make the background red, or invert them to make us red and the background gray. Here's your trash can. Of course, I don't want to throw away this project. Done button up there. We'll go over that in just a minute. Here you're going to have your pan and zoom. So if you click on that, you can pan and zoom into the picture, pan around and zoom out. Here you're going to find your image brush. So you can go and click on that. It'll pop to this setting. Solid brush. Click to this setting. I like to edit in this setting because you get down and dirty with every detail, going from the hair to the thumbnails to just down and dirty when you go down and just edit. Okay, so I kind of like that setting about it. And of course you have your eraser. So if I make a blemish like this, I can have you go in here and erase it just like that, or you can just hit the back button twice, just like that. Okay, once you have your picture already, I guess, keyed out of which one you filtered, you just go ahead and hit done. And this is the coolest part, guys. You have all these filters to choose from. But the easiest way to do it is just play through the slideshow, and then when you see something you like, just tap the screen. So let's go ahead and play through it, and I'll show you guys how easy and simple and cool this app really is. As you see, here's a very, very nice variety of effects, whether it be over our body, like the rain effect or the snow effect, or it be in the background, such as kind of a brush effect, a blurry effect, a saturation effect, gray effect, retro effect, you know, just stuff like that. So I'm going to go through, I'm going to say, I like, that one's pretty cool. Let's go through, I like this one. Okay, so I'm just going to touch the screen. As you see the slideshow stop, I'm just going to go and press the save button, save the album. It automatically saves, and I can go through my slideshow again. So that's pretty cool there. Okay, so once you hit that, you actually go in here, go ahead and save that again. And let's go ahead and save one more. But before we save one more, let's go in and invert the colors just to get a little more variety on our project here. So as you see, it's different. I'm gonna go ahead and play through the slideshow. All right, so that's pretty cool. That pops right there, guys. That's nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and save that as a session. And as you see, when I'm going through and saving all these, it's automatically gonna save to my camera roll, which is a very, very nice feature. Okay. All right, that's probably one of my favorite features of this application. All right, so you can go ahead and stop here wherever you want. And then from here, as you see, guys, if you need help, right there. If you want to go in here and add your original picture or different effects, you can do that. Here, like I said, you can go in and invert your colors. Different here, grunge, smoke, slideshow, all that. The favorite thing I like about this application is, one, you can change your brush sizes here. Very customizable when it comes to using your brush. You have forward and back buttons, which is very nice if you want to navigate your project. And of course, when you're all done, you have a variety of filters, which is just amazing, guys. That's so many filters. I think it's like 20 something. So yes, and check out this application. Very nice application. I've really enjoyed it. Hope you guys have enjoyed this tutorial. And of course, check this application out. It's right now for $1.99, and yes, it is well worth it. You can also edit in a landscape mode, just turning your iPhone to the side. And guys, hope you guys have enjoyed this application. Stay tuned for more. Peace.